Hello friends, Tackman Pat, or just call me Pat. I am here with something absolutely special. This is the ROG Strix Fusion 300 7.1 gaming headset, and why this is amazing. Well, for the first time in my life, ASUS is sponsoring this video with this thing here, right here, and I'm also apparently, and I hope this is still true when this video gets released, the first person to get my hands on these headphones in Australia. So obviously the review is going to be coming soon, but first of all, let's open up this baby because it looks pretty darn cool. So from the outside, we've got a soft plastic logo etched in on here, the ROG Gamers, so Republic of Gamers. We've got some nice pictures on the side, and in here on the back here we've got deep immersion with deep bass. Deep immersion, whatever. We've got bass in here. We've got 7.1 surround. We have cross-platform compatibility. That's actually pretty good. Like, I mean, come on. Not all headphones work with all sorts of other things. So it's good to see that this is possible. Upgraded comfort, ear cushions, protein leather, fabric mesh material to ensure ultimate comfort. Okay, cool. That is really cool. Free extra ear cushions. Wow. Okay, that's actually quite unique. I have not seen anything recently. Headphones that come with spare cushions. Even expensive headphones don't come with cushions sometimes. Don't quote me on that. We've got USB 2.0, 2 pairs of cushions, ROG hybrid and 100 protein leather, quick start guide. So that's inside the box. Let's have a look. So it is USB based. So I suppose you have to have a computer or some sort of device that takes USB. So I wonder how it's going to work with your phone, because it had a picture of a phone and a tablet. Maybe it's got a little jack, but let's have a look. Okay. So much protections everywhere. Wow. Okay. Let me bring that out here like so. Okay. Put that to the side. Well, very interesting packaging. It's not the standard experience that I've had with a lot of other brands, but it looks very nice, and it's clipped in very solidly. So there's a few things I need to remove before I can get to it. But let's have a look what's on the back. We've got obviously the storage facility. Those little paddings, which I will have a look at in a second. We've got a start guide, some instructions. We've got some cables. So here is a 3.5mm jack cable and a USB. So I'm guessing, yes, you can actually connect it through not just the USB, but obviously these cables. So that's why it can work with all sorts of other things. And let me undo these clips underneath here, because that's very interesting. Usually, you know, toys like toy guns have this, so it's interesting choice by ASUS to have something like this. It wouldn't be my first choice, especially for a product that looks as good as it does here. So I'm going to move that away and let's have a look at this. These are very, very light. I am very impressed. They're very light. Wow, okay, we have this padding here that's actually movable. Can it be unclipped? I don't know, maybe you can replace it. It feels like you can. These clips seem like they can be removed. Yes, I can stretch it over. I don't want to try just yet. Obviously, I want to get using it. Now, as you can see, the design is almost industrial. It actually reminds me of Star Wars design. So I suppose the way to look at it is that it's going to look good. On the top, we've got a plastic, and in here is a little bit of metal. Aluminium, I'm guessing. It's obviously because it's quite light. So it'll fit any head, but I have to say, wow, these are soft. These are super soft. Let me just compare them to the ones in here, because these ones are even different. Right, leather-like ones on here, and these are a mesh. So whatever your preference is, you will have what you want, and I'm guessing it's very easy to replace. It's just stretching it over the cup there. And if you can see that there is a little bit of a logo on here, maybe on the black, there it is. There's the ROG logo just on the back. You can see it in here also. But all in all, they seem really, really nice. Now, obviously, the review will tell me more. We've got the microphone, which is very bendy. Does it really stay? Yes, it does. Okay, that's nice. It won't get broken, so that's good. And it seems to be very easily removed. And there was a button I saw here. Oh, here we go. It is a mute button or some sort of button, but we'll see. Now, these are obviously very, I guess, non-wireless headphones, so they will need to be plugged in, but it's good to see that you can just swap out a cable for something else and take it with you. So one of the things I'm going to do with these headphones is actually wear them in the public and walk around, listen to some music through my iPod, and also obviously play some games, because this thing here is hidden so well that you can't tell it's a gaming headset. You really can't, and it clips in too. You really can't. From here, it just looks like there's some sort of switch here, but it looks like you could wear it day to day and actually use as music headphones. I am keen as a bean to try this out. Very, very interesting. And the cups move like so. That's really good. So it should fit your head very, very snugly. Strix logo there, and what do we got? Barcode, and it tells you left and right. Somewhere. There, left and right. Guys, thank you very much for watching this unboxing of these awesome headphones. Now, like, absolutely great. Obviously, they're not wireless, but it's interesting that you can take them anywhere with you because they're so super light. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, and dislike. Let me know why, and I'll see you in another video. Guys, thank you.